Hello, welcome to this short video where I will demonstrate the IBM Storage Defender Mass Instant Restore virtual machine capabilities. I'm Julien Sauvernet, Technical Advisor for IBM Storage Defender, and let's begin. So what you see here is the welcome screen of the IBM Storage Defender SaaS portal. And this is where I can check that my environment is well protected, just as I show you here. But there are other videos covering this in detail. What I want to focus on right now in this short video is how to perform instant mass recovery. So as you can see through the menu, and I'm now acting on a specific cluster. I can manage multiple clusters, but here I'm acting on cluster 3. What I will do, let's say I have a scenario where I know a couple of my Windows virtual machine has been compromised and I want to have a way to quickly recover them. That's what I'm going to achieve with this instant restore feature. So through the recovery menu, selecting the drop-down recover drop-down menu, selecting virtual machine, VMs. I can then search for my specific Windows virtual machine. I could run my recovery on my whole recovery group, but that's not the purpose here. What I want to focus on is on a subset of my Windows machine. So let's say everything that has this specific pattern in the name, I want them to be recovered. So just a few systems for the purpose of this demo. You can see here that I have the choice for each and every virtual machine I'm recovering. I can choose a specific point in time, and I can specify also from where I take the backup. So here, no choice because I haven't configured the replication in this case, but so it will take the local recovery point. And here comes the option. So obviously I could restore to another location. I have one vCenter here, so I will recover into the original location. Let's say my production vCenter is not fully compromised, and I want it to be very quick, so I'm selecting instant recovery. And here are the recovery options. So you can specify if you want the network, the virtual machine network, to be connected when you start the machine. You can specify a prefix for the VM name. So I'm gonna be using this prefix. You can specify whether you want to power on this virtual machine, and in the context of instant restore, you want to give back access to the virtual machine very quickly. Obviously, the power state should be on here in this case. And that's pretty much it about the option. So as soon as I will trigger this recovery, the system will present the virtual machine backup content to the VMware infrastructure, and the virtual machine will be started. So let me switch to the vCenter. So you see here are the virtual machine coming up directly. And if I go into this folder where my VMs are and I search for the prefix I was specifying, you can see that my virtual machine are already there. The system is actually powering on, so they are already there and already accessible. If I go into this machine, for example, you see that the system is up and running. Okay, and the next step after the instant mount, the next step that IBM Storage Data Protect is triggering is the relocation of the virtual machine. So the data are being moved into the target data store in the background while you are using the virtual machine. There is obviously a way for you to track the progress of this activity from your interface. You don't have to go into the vCenter, and you see that machines have been instantaneously available, and now what is running in the background is the data store migration. And that concludes the demo on the instant restore virtual machine. Thank you for listening.